Justices, judges, magistrates, registrars and members of the Bar Association, among other dignitaries, converged in large numbers at the Judiciary headquarters in Kampala for the launch of the new lawyer. The new lawyer was held under the theme, A People-Centered Approach to Justice. The function was graced by the Vice President of Uganda, Alupo, who represented President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. President Museveni applauded the judiciary for its tremendous achievements, among them construction of the Supreme Court and Court of Appeal, and in ensuring that justice is delivered to Ugandans.
I thank the PS, the Secretary to the Judiciary. I know it's not always very easy to handle such a task because it comes with some amount of money. So you must have had your ups and downs, but the good thing is that today we have seen very nice structures. I will go and report to His Excellency the President. I would like therefore to make it very clear that government will continue supporting the judiciary.
President Museveni, however, advised the justice, law and order sector to emphasize trainings and capacity building towards handling technological crimes
arising from technological advancement and globalization of human activities. Such crimes include, but not limited to, the following: money laundering, terrorism financing, trafficking in persons, smuggling in wildlife and wildlife products.
Chief Justice Alfonso Winnie-Dolo cited a reduction in the case backlog in the year 2023, where over 1,000 cases were disposed of. Dolo attributed this to the use of alternative dispute resolution mechanisms in handling cases.
Magistrates Grade 1 completed the highest number of cases, 133,191 cases. We have been able to make massive recruitment of judicial officers, especially at the magisterial level. And because of this, we've been able to litter the countryside. Some places where they've never seen judicial officers.
Minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Norbert Mao, commended the notable achievements by the judiciary, pledging to continue sensitizing the public on the mandate of the judiciary and the justice system.
I do believe that ADR will increasingly become a factor in dispute resolution because it gives us options to settle some, not all, disputes outside the traditional forms of adjudication. Ministry of Justice will then have to house an office for ADR to implement the regulations and also to provide guidelines for ADR practice.
The Attorney General Chiwanuka advised members of the bar to know where to address their concerns rather than disrespecting the judicial decisions.
I'm not saying don't raise the complaints. Let us find the correct fora where to raise these. Professional ethics must be held at all times. This is not only towards the court of law and judicial officers, but the entire public that we serve.
A call for unity and respect among the three arms of government for a better Uganda was also made.
While, Your Excellency, we agree that the President has and is within his power to disagree with the court decision, we appeal that for the purposes of the independence of the judiciary, there shouldn't be any sort of direction from the fountain of honor, His Excellency the President. These letters and interferences erode public confidence in the judiciary, and therefore we call all actors, all arms of government and all citizens to respect judicial independence.
Myself and the Minister of Justice are scratching our heads on how to deal with this problem of integrity in the judicial profession, but we'll be coming to the executive very soon.
Bernardo Wundo, the President of Uganda Law Society, called for respect of the judiciary's independence and court orders by government entities.
The central function that the legal profession must perform is nothing less than the administration of justice. My Lord, we can also not have a people-centered approach to justice if court orders are not respected when they are issued. If resident district commissioners and other entities outside the court system have become appellant courts.
The launch of the new lawyer celebrations was attended by the Chief Justice of South Sudan, Chan Rhys Madut, Emeritus Chief Justices, Bat Katrebe Magunda, and Wako Wambuzi, Emeritus Judges and Justices, among other dignitaries. Rebecca Nantongo, Deborah Namamonde, UBC News.